We are going for dinner. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Hello. Nice. Wow. Hey, put the bag behind. Stephen, watch it.
No, I just mean the way are weak.
Big.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
They go here.
Okay, let's go. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice. Wait. Check because it's the main highway. It's the main highway. Okay. We are going to Chowking for dinner. Right now it's almost like 6:45. Okay. Right. Look at that. Stephen? You love it, Stephen? Wow. Gravy. So almost like 7:30. We are having dinner right now. Right now it's almost like 8 o'clock. We are here at the beach. Stephen, here, hold it. Oh yeah. Slowly walk, you talk. Yeah. One hand in it. Yeah. Okay.
I like it. Wait till we go swim here.
Give me Stephen. So this is how it look like in the night.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Kind of like that.
I think this is the group. This is the group. No, not this one.
Can I touch sand? Can I touch sand?
Not there. There I was. You want to touch the water? Tomorrow morning. Now it's too cold.
No, I'm touching the sand because the water.
We are going there. We can touch the sand. Over there.
No, dear.
Okay, go. Go now.
No.
Go now. This is a castle. Mansion. Looks like nobody here. Look at that. It's very scary. Nobody there. Luckily have a front light over there.
Santa.
Santa?
My AK-47 for Christmas. So.
Careful, Simon. Don't fall down. Look at the house. Look at the place. They put the barricade over here. So we're almost to the watchtower. Simon, what are you doing with the sand? You're collecting the sand?
I'm naming it rain.
Wow. You want to go to the watchtower? Let's go to the watchtower. Let's go to the watchtower. Steven! Come, let's take a shot over there.
Daddy. Hi, Dad.
Hello. Yeah, say hi.
Hi, Dad.
Ah, it looks fantastic. So far this is the one street. This is the main street. You have a lot of hotels, street food available over here. Say hi. Hello, vlog. Hello. Welcome to Aurora, sir.
Baler, dinalungan.
Hello. I don't know how much you can see me. Here, not so much of light. New monument they made it 2 months ago.
Is it go play in the sand?
We can play. Come on, Steven. Come with me. So this is how it look like. Yes, Steven, are you ready?
And you have the key?
No. Nobody have key?
No.
We can take a key from this reception.
What happened?
Don't worry, Steven, we have the key.
Give me it.
There.
He's already given the key.
Wow, beautiful. Look at it. It's nice. The pool open until 9 o'clock. So you have no problem at all. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.